Stop! Stop telling me what to do. Don't treat me like a child of two. No! I know that you want what's best. Please! Another please. Give it a rest. Stop, don't, no, please. Stop, don't, no, please. Stop, don't, no, please. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Once upon a time when I was just a kid, you never let me do just what the other kids did. So lose that laundry list of what you won't allow. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Once upon a time I used to play with toys, but now I'd rather play around with teenage boys. So if I get a hickey, please don't have a cow. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Mama, I tell you that without a doubt, I get the best dance lessons from you. You're the one who taught me how to twist and shout, because you shout non-stop and you're so twisted too. Gonna say you a bitch because I just said oh. But now I'm just like Gidget, and I've got to get some room. So say, are you the dead cheese? And show, 'cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Oh, stop, don't, no, please. Stop, don't, no, please. Stop, don't, no, please. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Hey Mama, say Mama. Once upon a time I was a shy young thing who let me walk and talk to matches, dance and sing. But let me hit the stage and wanna say how about. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Once upon a time I used to just suck at but now that I'm a woman, and I don't need a Barbie doll to show me how. 'Cause